Okay, to carry on from where we left off, uh, this next part here, demographic, is not something you need to look at. Next part, networks. Let's have a quick look in there. Uh, where do we want it to go? Let's have a look at what it says. The important bit here, this is an important part, is to ensure that you have got Google Search ticked and Google Search Partners. That basically means wherever Google is used as a search engine, your advert will appear. The next part is optional. Now, to explain, the content network is where Google has adverts placed on news wires, other people's websites, all sorts of very odd and strange places, and quite often through people who set up sites with long lists of different things on them in the hope they get the odd click. In my opinion, for what we're after, which is a qualified lead, it is not really something to do, and it can actually get quite expensive. Where it has been done with our type of advertising, it's about 50% of the spend, and quite frankly, it's highly unlikely that that would have given any business at all. But obviously, it's optional. But my advice would be to not do that. So just take that out, and that just confirms that the ads won't appear on Google's content network, but it will appear on all of their search engines. So we can save that, and moving on, you then have an option about devices. Well, there's not a lot of need to do anything here, but just so you can see what it says. Yes, you want it on desktop and laptops, and you want it on iPhone, so that's straightforward. So just leave that. Now, bidding and budgets. The bidding options, first of all. Now, Google will automatically have you set up on automatic bidding. Now, we are not after maximizing clicks for our target budget. We are after getting people who are looking for tree stumps to be removed to click on our advert. So you actually don't want that. You want manual bidding for clicks. And it also says focus on conversions, conversion optimizer. That's really where you've got some measure on your website that you know that people have bought something or have signed up for a newsletter or whatever. Well, we're not doing that at the moment, so we can leave that one and just save the manual bids. Budget. Right. This is a limit that you put on your website, sorry, on the Google account for the maximum that they can spend. Now, they ask for a daily budget. The best way of dealing with this is to think of how much you would be happy to spend in a month. I personally use £100, divide that, and that gives you £3.33. Now, they also have options for view recommended budget and how budget affects ads and performances. Obviously, you can have a look at those, but it's unlikely to come up with a recommended budget because your account hasn't been running. Later on, the options are always there for you to go and have a look at that, but I really wouldn't worry about that at the moment. So 333, save that. Position preference and delivery method. That gives you the option of automatically managing costs per clicks to meet a target, a preferred position range. I really wouldn't worry about that, leave that switched off. A delivery method, display ads evenly over time. Again, you don't want accelerated advert showing, so that's fine. Advanced settings, a couple of important things here. Start date, you can put an end date on your account if you just want it to finish at a certain time or just run it for a specific period. And ad scheduling, display ads all days and hours. Again, you will want to do that. You won't want to use the option which gives you all sorts of different times that you can set your ads running. You never know when someone's going to be doing some research. Last part, this is quite important, which is ad rotation. you want to display, you don't want optimize display better performing ads more often. You want rotate, show ads evenly. That is important when we develop things a little bit later. So save that. And the last part is to do with content networking. So there we are. That's that next section, and then you just move on by clicking continue, and you come onto a new page which we'll deal with on the next video.